Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Kawasaki Ninja 250R. This twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled sport bike just came here in the gorgeous metallic green livery. Beautiful shape. Only 891 miles on this gorgeous Kawasaki Ninja 250R. Come by, make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $29.99. Come by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.